It's been tough since she's been out of town. I've only got a few more hours to go. Everything is ready, except the car.
Even though you're in a hurry, there's still time for a Hoffman Express detail and car wash. Your vehicle can be hand waxed to restore the shine. Our expert carpet cleaning service will remove stains and ground-in dirt. We can also clean and condition all your vehicle's leather surfaces. All done in just minutes without an appointment. When your car looks good, you look good.